So we are having one heck of a massive thunderstorm. And as you can see, we've got hail. It has blown all my shade cloths over. It has completely flattened the shade cloth and the tomatoes over there. This is a nightmare. My poor pepper plants over there have been completely shredded. Look at that. And this is to give you an idea of the volume of water coming down. Oh well, I'll have to check out the damage afterwards. This is the worst hailstorm we have ever had in Johannesburg in probably a good decade. We received over 10 centimeters of rain, which is a truckload of rain. And as you can see, it has shattered all my squash plants. It has shattered the butternuts, and they were doing so well. And I'm really quite sad because the garden was doing exceptionally well. And just now I'll show you the damage that it's done to all of my tomatoes. But as you can see, everything's just been shattered. So all in all, I lost about 75% of my tomatoes, as you can see. I left them on there for a short while to see if they would be okay, but because of the hail, it had broken them open, so a lot of bugs and gremlins were getting in there. I lost all of my squash plants, and I lost my entire butternut plant. So that was a bit of a setback, and I spent some time just taking out some of the dead trees, dead tomato plants, and I went and bought some more seedlings just to try and recoup the loss, because we're at sort of in the middle of summer right now. But all in all, very disappointing considering my garden was doing exceptionally well this year. So what I'll do in the next week or so is I'll do another video and just show you how the garden has started to recuperate.